I get quite a lot of rare football boots, but this one here is by far the rarest pair I have in my collection. It's a very special release. This one here is between Under Armour and Mansory. Mansory is a luxury car modification company. They've partnered with Under Armour to create a very special pair for Rudiger, the Real Madrid player. Mansory have actually produced a car for Rudiger, and this one is based on his Lamborghini Urus. The presentation box is a very special box. It's very, very heavy. If you do purchase this pair, you will get a special box, but it won't be this kind of box. This box is pretty ridiculous. I can't believe how crazy it is. When I open it up, you'll see. It's just absolutely crazy. So you have the emblem on the top, which has the Under Armour and Mansory detailing. It's a full wooden box. It's very, very well made and very, very heavy. Shall we open it up? So if I pop open the lid, you'll see it does kind of fold down. Don't want it to smash. You can see the Under Armour Mansory details. It says that limited edition on this big silver plaque. You get the boots inside in this leather boot bag. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I can't really believe it. The LED lights here do light up. I've not switched it on, but you can take the boot bag out and you can see it kind of like lays on this platform here. It does have lighting underneath, which you can see here. So that's pretty spectacular. What a presentation box this is. So I'll fold this up and we'll put it to the side because it takes up a lot of space. So here is the boot bag. Pretty spectacular. Mansory detailing on the front. Spin it round, you've got the Under Armour detailing on the back. Just little details like that make the release extra special. So like I said, Mansory is a modification specialist for luxury cars. They kind of specialize in requests for modifications to really, really luxurious cars like Lamborghinis, Ferraris, G-Wagons, everything like that. And they've taken a spin on the Under Armour boots. Shall we open them up? So this is the limited edition Under Armour Clone Magnetico. Open these up. You will probably get the colour by the boot bag, but here they are. Check these out. Wow. Look at the details on this pair. So we'll move the boots to the side for now. We also get a little leaflet from Mansory Under Armour. As you can see, you can pause the screen and read it if you want to. And then also get a very luxurious boot bag as well with the details on the front. This feels very silky. Nice. And then obviously the inside of the boot bag is in that bright orange colour to match the boots. And you get a little pouch here as well, which is quite cool. Overall, quality of this boot bag, probably one of the best boot bags I've ever received. So here are the boots. And like I said, they're designed around Rudiger's Lamborghini Urus. They're absolutely crazy. And when I tell you they're rare, this is the rarest pair in my entire collection. They're actually numbered. This is pair number 95 out of 96. Only 96 pairs in the world. That is crazy rare. So some fun facts about the boots. So these boots actually are made from the exact same synthetic leather that Mansory uses in their car. So it's the highest quality. It is super, super soft, and they're absolutely incredible. Let me know what you think of them. You can see the Mansory detailing here in that kind of unique orange color, which stands out against the black kind of carbon look. Also, the laces are also made from the synthetic leather material, which is something you don't see very often on a pair of football boots. I'm not actually too sure on that, leather laces. It's a little bit odd. I don't know how easy they come undone because they're quite slick and loose. However, it's new, and for a boot that's super rare, it's quite cool to have some unique features like that. This pair was kindly sent to me by ProDirect, and they're the only retailer in the whole of Europe that's going to stock them, if you can get them, because they are stupidly rare. 96 pairs in the world. And they're numbered to prove that. If you do manage to purchase a pair, you'll get your own special hard box. It's not going to be quite as spectacular as the box I showed you, and you will also get the boot bag as well. The leather boot bag comes with all pairs, which I think is a really nice touch because it's a very unique pair and you want it to come with all these accessories to make the experience a little bit special. So this is actually the new Clone Magnetico 5. So it's a new updated launch from the Clone Magnetico 4 that you've seen previously. You can see all the details they've adjusted, and I actually think it looks much better and much sleeker, and I can't wait to test them out. Maybe not in this unique colorway, but in another colorway. As you can probably tell, this is a very unique and rare launch, and I actually think it's pretty good that Under Armour's doing something like this. You don't often see a car company such as Mansory collaborate with Under Armour, and I just think that's amazing. It's very unique, and I actually think it's quite fitting to a player like Rudiger. But let me know down below in the comments, what do you think of them? Let's take a closer look at some of the details. So if I show you the sole plate up close, you can see it is a full carbon sole plate. And what I do like is they've used conical studs pretty much throughout, so they'll be perfect for AG and FG. It's actually a really good sole plate, and that carbon looks absolutely fantastic. On the outside you have this kind of like synthetic material which is very, very soft, but the look of it, it looks like it's kind of like forged carbon. Absolutely spectacular in certain lightings, and the reflection looks amazing. They've really thought about everything in this collaboration. Even the Under Armour logo here has the Mansory M throughout it, which looks very nice. And if you were ever in any doubt that this is a Mansory collaboration, you can see the Mansory text here, you can see the Mansory text here, you can see the logo and the text here, and obviously on the Under Armour you've got the M's as well. So pretty much all over the boot, you'll know it's a Mansory collaboration. You can see here you have the details of the signature here. It would have been cool, I think, if they'd done a Rudiger signature somewhere on the boot. I'm not too sure if it has it, but I'll take out the insole as well so you can take a look. So the insole, whoa, very thick. Very thick insole with a lot of detailing on it. This is going to be very cushiony. I bet this is going to be comfy to wear. Like I said earlier, they do come with leather laces already inlaced. If you don't like the leather laces and you find them slipping too much, you can actually change them to the normal laces as well. This pair releases on the 27th of June. It's going to be extremely rare, quite hard to get. Let me know down below in the comments if you're going to go for them. They are very, very unique, but let me know what you think of them. What a crazy pair, the rarest pair in my collection. Thank you so much to Pro Direct Soccer for sending them to me so I could show you them early. Wow, what a pair for Rudiger. Look at the details all over. My favourite thing, the sole plate. Absolutely fantastic. But thank you so much for watching. Without you, I wouldn't be able to do videos like this and show you the boots early. This is the latest collaboration by Under Armour and Mansory. Very, very rare, very incredible. Yeah, what do you think of these? Cannot believe I've got these in my hand. Thanks for watching.